Sick Streets.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pit in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Bike attack, sir. 1 foot boy set up. Hey, what's up, boss? Get me. Well, today we had some issues with the rain. The rain is giving us a real fight here. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Qualified, I think 6 on the grid. So hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Step up the game, you don't know. So come out and enjoy 876. Big up. Huh? Hey, what up? Bike. Here, snowing. Everybody know we are roaming. Check out the bike. I run a Kawasaki 600. Tomorrow, you can look out for this bike running first or second place based on the time, qualifying time today. I did a better time than competitor Namir. So just look out for this bike, doing a lot of things tomorrow. Big up all the Skunk Nation family in 876. Enjoy the race, mate.